Hi friends, welcome to the Rise from Roots YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about text to audio converter. This is the Python project 1. Okay friends, let's start the explanation. Understanding the code step by step. 1. Importing required modules Python. From gTTS import gTTS. Next. Import OS. Explanation. gTTS, Google Text-to-Speech, is a Python library that converts text into speech. OS is a built-in Python module that allows us to interact with the operating system, like playing audio files. 2. Creating a function to convert text to audio Python. Def text _to_ audio, text, language equals, n, filename equals, output.mp3 feet. Explanation. Def is used to define a function in Python. Text _to_ audio is the function name. It takes 3 parameters: text, the text that will be converted to speech; language, the language of the speech, default is English; and filename, the name of the output file where the audio will be saved, default is output.mp3 feet. 3. Handling errors using try except Python. Try. Explanation. Try is used to try running the code inside it. If an error occurs, Python will jump to except. 4. Converting text to speech Python. TTS equals gTTS, text equals text, lang equals language, slow equals false. Explanation. gTTS, text equals text, lang equals language, slow equals false. Text equals text, takes the user input as the text to be converted. Lang equals language, sets the language for speech, default is English, n. Slow equals false, the speech will be at normal speed, if true. It will be slow. TTS is now an object that contains the converted speech. 5. Saving the speech as an audio file Python. TTS, save, filename, explanation. TTS, save, filename. Saves the speech as an MP3 file with the given filename. 6. Printing a confirmation message Python. Print, f, audio saved as, filename. Explanation. Print, f, audio saved as, filename. Prints a message saying that the audio file has been saved successfully. 7. Playing the audio file automatically, optional, Python. OS, system, f, start, filename. Explanation. OS, system, f, start, filename. This plays the audio file automatically. Start is a command used in Windows to open files. For Mac and Linux, you need different commands. OS, system, f, open, filename, for Mac OS. OS, system, f, xdg open, filename, for Linux. 8. Handling errors Python. Except exception as a, print, f, error, a. Explanation. Except exception as a. Catches any error that happens in the try block. Print, f, error, a, prints the error message if something goes wrong. 9. Taking user input Python. Text equals input, enter the text you want to convert to audio. Explanation. Input, enter the text you want to convert to audio. Asks the user to enter some text. The text is stored in the text variable. 10. Calling the function Python. Text _to_ audio, text. Explanation. Calls the function text _to_ audio, with the user's input text. Full code with explanation in one look Python. From gTTS import gTTS. # import Google Text-to-Speech library. Import OS. # import OS module to interact with the system. Hash function to convert text to speech and save as an audio file. Def text _to _audio, text, language equals, n, filename equals, output.mp3 feet, try, TTS equals gTTS, text equals text, lang equals language, slow equals false. Hash convert text to speech. TTS, save, filename, hash. Save the speech as an MP3 file. Print, F, audio saved as, filename. Hash notify user. OS, system, F, start, filename. Hash play the audio, Windows. Accept exception as A, print, F, error, A. Hash, print error message if something goes wrong. Hash take user input. Text equals input, enter the text you want to convert to audio. Hash call the function. Text _to _audio, text. Key learnings from this code. Check mark how to use the gTTS library to convert text into speech. Check mark how to handle errors using try except. Check mark how to save and play an MP3 file in Python. Check mark how to take user input and use it in a function. Check mark how to use the OS, system, command to open files automatically. Possible improvements for a beginner. Keycap 1. Handle empty input, prevent the user from entering an empty text. Python. Text equals input, enter the text you want to convert to audio, strip. If not text, print, error, no text entered. Else. Text _to _audio, text. Keycap 2. Support multiple languages, allow the user to choose a language. Python. Language equals input, enter language code, default, n, strip, or, n, text _to _audio, text. Language, final thoughts. This is a great beginner project to understand. Text-to-speech conversion. File handling in Python. Using system commands, OS system. Error handling with try except. If you want to improve this project further, you can create a GUI version using tkinter or pyqt. Allow saving different audio files with user-defined names. Integrate speech recognition to convert speech to text first. Finally, we are done the text to audio Python project. Please do subscribe the Rise from YouTube channel. I hope you friend. You will support me finally. Bye friends, this is your Rise from Roots YouTube channel.